students, and I am back. I am Sarim Khan, studying in 5th standard. As someone had requested me for bringing class 9th NCERT Mathematics chapter 9. Okay, so today I brought for you exercise 9.1 from class 9th NCERT Mathematics chapter number 9, that is areas of parallelogram and triangles. Okay, so today we are going to solve question first from exercise 9.1. Okay, it is the second part for question number first. Okay, generally in first part I had solved the first, second and third question from question number first. So in this video we will solve the fourth, fifth and sixth question. So here we have here just like question, we know what was the question. Question number first is, which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. Okay, so here as we have understood already the question, so here this figure has been given to us. So now for solving this, now what we have to do, that we have to take a look over it, whether they lie over the same base. Okay, so here we have, just like here it's name letters of those parallelograms and triangles. Let us write, this is here A, B, C, D, and this we have Q, R, okay, P. Now here we can take a look that the base of QRP can be taken as QP. Okay, we can take this. Now the base for our parallelogram ABCD can be also taken as BC. So by this we get conclusion, the base cannot be same. No, okay, in no sides base is same. Okay, any point is common. So by this we get conclusion, they have no common base. Okay, their base is not same, so they have no common base. Okay, so the answer is simply no. And if they have no common base, so they do not lie between same parallels. Okay, so they don't have any common base and they do not lie between same parallels. So we can write, they do not have any common, okay, base. They do not have any common base, and so this is why, that's main reason they also don't lie between same parallels. The next figure is, okay, figure number 5, that is, okay, in this one parallelogram has been given to us A, B, Q, D letter. We have another P, C, D, A. Let us write its name here. We have A, B, Q, D, and we have this P, C, D, A. Now do they lie on the same base? So here we can see that AD is common for both of them, and AD can be taken as the base for our ABQD and can be also taken as base for PCD. Okay, AD is common in both. So by this we get conclusion that the common base can be, okay, common base can be our, okay, here we have AD. Okay, this is our common base. Now we have to tell whether they lie between same parallels. So the answer is yes. Why yes? Because here this already they have the same base. Okay, so here we have to check whether this PC is present. It touches to BQ or not, and here we can see it touches. Why we have to make sure to this? That because PQ and AD are parallel, and it's whichever this parallelogram, this quadrilateral, inside this big one quadrilateral is given, it is touching to all sides of, okay, all points of this our parallels. Means by this we get conclusion that yes, they lie between same parallels. And which our parallels are? Our parallels, okay, this is symbol of parallel. So our parallels are AD and our BQ. Okay, this is question number 5. The next is question number 6. Okay, so in this simply answer we can get no, they do not lie on same base, because whichever quadrilaterals have been given to us, those three quadrilaterals, no lie on the same base. For this base can be PA or SD, for this AB, DC, for this BQ or CR. They do not lie on the same base. Okay, so they have no common, okay, base. Okay, simply by seeing directly we are telling that they have no common base. Okay, and if they have no common base, so answer is simply that if they have no common base, so they do not lie between same parallels if they have no common base. So this was my today's topic. Thank you.